Not looking too bad out there today. Beauty. Morning chooks.
Welcome team to the first serial Giller adventure. I'm Kieran, this is my wife Nat. We live on the Whangaproa coast of Auckland, New Zealand. And we're into camping, fishing, diving, all the outdoor stuff that New Zealand has to offer. If you're into that kind of thing, then follow along on the journey, we're happy to have you. Right, let's get into it. We're at Wellington Rock here. You can see on the sounder, comes up here to a reef, and then we got another reef on the side. So we'll just drift through this passage, flick a few soft baits, see if there's anything home. If we have no luck, then I will anchor up on the edge of the reef and see if we can get some Jack Macs, target some kingies or some johnnies. All right, first cast action. Got a squid vicious on soft bait as a soft bait, but they're usually pretty good. But you lot off to. Well, no luck with the soft bait, guys. I don't know. It's really weird. The conditions shouldn't be as rough as they are, but real quiet. Not even a strike at all. So we're just going to pop back out off the reef and we'll anchor up and chuck some burley in and see if there's anything around. It just need a bit of a tickle. Right, so we're at 22 meters just off the reef there. You can see Wellington Rock there. I usually do pretty well here. We got a good trev out here the other day. So we'll see if we can get Nat onto her first trev. So I'm not sure how many of you have done this before, but it's a bit of a ripe smell on the boat at the moment. I left the burley, the salmon burley. I usually use long life burley, but I had a salmon burley and I left it down in the dugout where the anchor is, and yeah, she's ripe, but there's a big oil slick gone into the water, so hopefully we will reap the rewards of
see some action.
That screw up. Yeah, we'll come back to you when we've got something on the hook. So we're just running some flasher rigs. Nat's on a ledger rig. Just chuck some squid on and see if there's anything biting this morning. It's being pretty quiet. Oh, yep. Yeah, it's not very big that. Oh, he just woke up maybe. Snap. Oh, yeah. He's alright, a bit little. At least something on the board. Little snap. 28. He's on.
Oh, little. No, very little. Great.
Little snap.
Yeah. Baby.
Oh, at least the action's heating up. Hopefully that sun comes out in a little while because it's bloody freezing. It's the middle of July or late July here. It's pretty chilly, eh?
Oh, look.
Oh, that is bullying. You're bullying. Yeah.
So tiny. Oh, wait a minute.
Send him back to his mum.
Yeah, oh, it's...
They're not here for cute. Yep. Little again.
Oh, I don't think it'll be a keeper.
Nah.
Nah, I'm not very strong with them, so this is probably a tiny baby.
Making it look
Making it look like
impressive.
it's a giant one. I told you. Look.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's not the worst snapper I've ever seen. Yeah, it's starting to flatten out a bit. The sun's hopefully going to come out. There's a few fish biting, which is more encouraging than the softies, so we'll see what comes of it. There's a little slimy mackerel that we caught last time we were out here. We left him swimming around under a balloon for about 3 hours and nothing big enough to have a crack at him. There's a few birds. Only problem is they're fucking off that way. Bit better? Nah? It's gotten a bit nicer out here though. Yeah, we were out here the other day and there would have been 10,000 birds all around here. There were kahawai splashing on the top, we were trawling around. All we could hook we hooked 3 birds in the end, I think. Oh, pain in the ass. You get things like that. Some days when we trawl around here we just hook up after hook up, and then there's a massive boil up and we couldn't get one. Yeah, don't put your fingers in there.
Pointed, it's like piranhas.
Dracula. Drac snap. Look at all the bait. That is mental. If we can't hook up in that, we probably need to sell the boat and go home. Look at it. Mental. Surprised the sabiki's not hooking up as well. I'll drop it a bit lower. He's little. Just tiny snaps around that. That's a big bait too. Haven't even got a fish on the boat yet, and we're cracking the cooks. It's flattened out. That's nice out here now. Yeah. Nat's still getting her sea legs. You're doing better though. You're doing a lot better. But I think my famous line at the moment is, it shouldn't be like this out here. I think I've said that about 100 times. Beautiful out here now, guys. Everything is perfect apart from the fishing. Classy. Come on. Small stuff around, but alright, there's been no action for like the last hour, but we've picked up a livey here. He's just hooked himself on the old sabiki. He's going in for a nice kingy bait. Okay. So one of the things I don't have on the boat is a live bait tank, but we've got this little bad boy here. Actually does quite a good job. So this is just a little pump. So I'll fill this up with water. This is a little pump that keeps it aerated, because I don't have my kingy set up yet. Yeah. Shut the little pump on. And it just aerates the water while you're mucking around. He's quite big, so he's struggling a little bit in there, but he'll be fine. Alright, so we've got livey boiling away down there. I think that's a I'm not actually sure what that is. A big, looks like a big Jack Mac, but I'm not sure. Someone tell me what that is in the comments if you can. I think it might be one of those korerus or whatever they call them. I'll just grab him. Now he's a big livey. Beautiful. Now I'm going to chuck it through his nose. This is on a Johnny rig, but these catch kingies too. So there's plenty of Johnnies down around here. So we'll see what we come up with. We'll start screaming. Something big's got it.
My rod's on here. Oh, good.
It's
a little kingy.
It's onto something here. Oh, nice little kingfish, yeah. Little kingy. That is the baby version.
Oh, where's your daddy? Do I hold it just like a snapper?
Yep. Just grab the line, grab the line.
Do it.
Yeah, nice. Little kingy. Got a lot of growing up to do before we can take you home.
On. Oopsie.
Yep, got him. Yep, push back through. Yep, that's it.
Okay. Got my little friend.
Beautiful little kingfish. And he's gone. Nice. Right, so we've got the livey out. He's just swimming around there waiting to be eaten. I'll drop him down a bit. We'll come back when this thing starts screaming. Nice one.
Snapper on.
Might be a bit better. Oh, it's not fighting like a snap. It looks like a snapper, but it's just taking off in that direction. Kingy's chasing it.
Oh, is they?
You see? Look. You see him down there?
Not sure if I can see it on the... Oh yeah, I can see the...
There's a kingy right there.
Yeah, I can see it. That's a better.
Oh, I got two. I got the kingy and the
Oh,
snap.
you got it. That's why we thought we were chasing it. Double hook up. I'll get him in because I think the snap's the keeper.
Yeah. Okay. What did you order? Snapper or kingfish for tea?
Well, not that one because he's got a girl.
Here's a nice eating snap there. It's probably about 40. 36. 36.
Yay.
Yeah, nice. So we'll dispatch him and chuck him on ice and I'll get that baby kingy back in the water. Yeah, hundreds of these little rats around. Beautiful fish.
A few more.
Maybe there was something bigger to take the livey. Off you go. Oh, flip.
Or I'm guessing 27.
Now we have tons of kids, so if you see us taking snapper to eat, it's because we have to feed tons of children. And they love fish.
We will only take them if they're 13 above.
Yes.
I think I'm guessing 27.
Yeah, he's probably just
Marginal.
30. But... It's hooked up.
It's probably a tiny one. It's just feisty.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's dark, isn't it?
Yeah, kelpie.
Oh.
Some line out, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it, you got it.
Ta-da! Three.
Off you go, mate.
Oh. That was pilchards. Oh, another undersized snaps. Let go.
How did it go, babe? Sharky and George.
The crime busters.
That's just been singing shark song from my childhood. That's from the UK if you can't tell. So.
I don't think it were an English program. I'm sure it was like American.
Oh yeah.
Like a kids TV program on Saturday morning.
She's also wrapped up like an Eskimo. She's the most affected by the cold English person I've ever come across. Here's bare feet and shorts.
And then in summer I suffer with heat stroke the whole time.
I wouldn't like to use the phrase whinging pom, but it does seem to fit sometimes, doesn't it? Apologies to all the UK viewers
I've
out
only
there.
been here 21 years. I'm basically a Kiwi.
Nat hasn't pulled a fish up in a while. I'm getting a bit disappointed in her effort.
I think I've had it down for 10 minutes with no bait on, probably. I think it's been bad, I'm not fishing.
That's not a smart play. Sharky and George.
It might be Jaws.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
it's stuck in my head now. And
I can't remember.
you're not going to catch anything with that.
No.
Been a lot of kingies chasing the fish up. A Mac Daddy bait. Oh, it might be a kingy. Yeah, that's a king. That's a king. Don't reef me. Don't reef me. Oh, he's got it. Oh,
No!
it hurts. It hurts.
Oh!
It really hurts. He doesn't know he's hooked yet though. It's a king. It's a king.
It's on the livey.
It's a king. It's a good one. It's a good king. That's a good king. Can I get the gift?
Where is it?
Oh, it's down here. We'll get the net at least. Yeah, it's a nice king.
Oh, don't go down to the reef.
Maybe get the net.
Let's get the net, okay. Yep. Can we see it yet? No.
It's pulled a lot of string. That's a nice king. One's just come up with it.
Oh, it's stuck on that line. It's gone on that line as
Get the
well.
knife and cut it.
Okay.
Cut it.
Boom.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
a king.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
nice
yeah,
king.
Yeah.
It's a nice king.
Okay. Get the net.
Get the gaff.
Gaff. You said the net.
Yeah, but it's big. Oh, it's a shark.
Oh shit!
It's a massive bronzy.
Woo! Oh, oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, look at him.
And this is why I don't swim in the sea
He's
in New
fucking
Zealand. Oh, I'll put the gaff away then. Oh, has he broke off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh, you're never gonna get a good king. Damn, man.
Oh no, that's
He took that whole livey.
Oh my god.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, I thought, shit, if that's a kingy, that's a big king, man. Like, oh, it's a killing. Wow, big bronzy, eh?
Oh.
Shit. At least we got him on the good gear this time and we actually got to see him. How big do you reckon that was?
Pretty big. That's why I'm not swimming in New Zealand waters.
That's a pretty big bronzy, eh? Oh, my arm's buggered.
That was a bit
Wow.
scary. I don't
It
like
was awesome. Oh, man.
What a shame.
It's because you were singing that shark song
I
earlier.
know. I'm
Damn.
going round. Ooh.
Oh, it looked like a kingy. It looked like a big kingy.
There's too many sharks around here for my liking.
Shit. Gutted. Oh, well, at least I got to see it. That would have pissed me off if it broke early. Because I would have thought it was the king of my life. Shit, my arms are buggered. Oh, well. I think we'll call it there, guys. We've got another weather window tomorrow, so I think for this first video, I think we'll merge the two. We've got a couple of snapper in the bin. Thanks for coming along for the journey, I guess, and we'll see you tomorrow. And we've got a drone coming as well, so hopefully in the beginning of this video you'll have a bit of that footage as well. But yeah, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and come along for the journey. Cheers. Team, day 2. Woke up this morning to a nice surprise. Absolutely stunning out here. It was supposed to be 10 knots, 10 knots, but we got 2 I think today, so yeah, beautiful. We're going to pop out today. Oh, birds just dove over there. We're going to pop out today over to the islands around Kowal, Motuora, and just see what's going on out there. Hopefully we catch some fish. We might do a catch and cook. Chase some johnnies over by Kowal and see what we come up with. All right. Here we're cruising at about 24 knots. It takes around 20 minutes on a good day to get over to Motuora from Army Bay. The fishing turned out to be pretty lousy today, but we've got some scenic footage for you guys and a few fish we did hook up. Hope you enjoy. Here we're just pulling up to Motuora Island here. I'll just putt in here and see what it's like. Beautiful day. It doesn't get much better. Now, there are a few rocks in here, so we just got to be careful.
We're still quite deep though, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we're still 16 meters here, but it's going up.
the bottom is so clear. Wow, it's so clear, babe. There is rocks though.
Okay, let's just stop here for a sec.
Real far down. Zero, babe. Can't see any.
Out the back of this is the eastern side of Cowell, and hopefully we can catch some bait fish. We haven't been able to catch any liveys yet, so hopefully we can pick something else. So it's been pretty slow. Beautiful day. It's usually the payoff of having a beautiful day is that there's not much around. Everywhere we tried seemed pretty slow today. There wasn't much action at all, so with our tail between our legs we popped into a bay to cook up some lunch. Just got a little barbie hot plate here. Hoping to fry up some snapper of it, obviously. Nat can't catch them. Why are we eating sausages? Here's some fresh Vinny sausage from Pure Game. Oh, is it Pure? What is it? Southern Premium Game Meats in South Island. They're really bloody good. Cooking with gas here now.
It's a successful fishing trip.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
I'm not snapper, but not too bloody bad out here. Oh well, bit of a disappointing day in the end, guys. Had a bit of action yesterday, but today was a much slower. It was a beautiful day out here, out by Kowau Island in Mataora, but not much on the fishing front. If you're looking for the drone footage, well, you won't find it here because the drone went up, the drone went down, and the drone stayed down. Hit the drink and sunk to the bottom of the ocean by Mataora. So hopefully we'll sort something else out on that front, probably spend a bit more cash. Don't buy a DJI Neo because it's shit. And yeah, thanks for coming along for the first video. I've really enjoyed it, and I know Nat has as well. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content and subscribe to our channel and follow us on some other adventures. Cheers, guys.